It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE class. The M-Class has been given a fresh start with a new name, updated style, and even more performance and safety. This GLE's aggressive exterior has been refreshed with a new grille, redesigned headlamps, and larger intakes on the front bumper. The high-resolution color screen displays a world of amazing options that keep you informed and entertained, while dual-zone climate control and heated seats keep you comfortable throughout the entire commute. And as serene as the ride is inside, this GLE is always safety aware with crosswind assist, pre-safe plus, collision prevention assist plus, and front and rear crumple zones. Make the drive one you wish would never end. Come and test drive this GLE class today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,